Hello guys, thank you for coming. Thank you for visiting my channel. My name is Teacher Boko and I've been waiting for this day to come because finally I am very happy to announce that I have completed my self-study online course on Udemy. This course is gonna be amazing. It's probably gonna be one of the best courses out there for beginner Serbian students, and it's gonna have a lot of different things. The course has almost 10 hours of on-demand video, so these are basically only lessons. There are 51 lessons, so these are only lessons, but every lesson has a lot of exercises after it, right? So many assignments, different questions, quizzes, fill in the blanks exercises, translations from English to Serbian, from Serbian to English, listening exercises, reading, Cyrillic. This course is perfect for people who want to study Serbian and to finally start, speaking on a basic level at least, to finally be able to communicate, to actually say what they want to say, to actually understand something that other people are telling them. It is a beginner course, so it starts from zero. No prior knowledge is required. But if you've been studying Serbian for months or for years even, and couldn't possibly get over that hump and finally start understanding something, or basically getting the words out of your mouth, or using some of the words or you learned, this course is going to be amazing because it has a lot of repetition. It has a lot of exercises that actually kind of wire your brain in a way that is just gets familiar with Serbian, and it gets easier for you to just start using it. So after completing this course, you will learn how to form different sentences, ask many different questions, conjugate verbs in all the persons properly, use prepositions, pronouns, conjunctions, etc. You will cover all the necessary grammar rules, grammar points. This course also covers everything about the locative case. So this is a beginner course. I didn't talk about any other cases, but I have covered locative case in detail completely, the pronouns and the singular and the plural forms. You will also build extensive vocabulary about the most common topics. There is a large number of exercises that will ensure that you retain all the words. A lot of repetition, a lot of translation, listening, and reading exercises. Don't skip any exercises though. Don't skip any tests or quizzes or practice tests. Repetition is key. Okay, so there are 7 sections in the course. Section 1 is Introduction, Latin Cyrillic alphabet, greetings, important expressions, formal and informal language. Section 2 is Grammar 101. So personal pronouns, verb conjugation, and basic verbs, genders, verb to be, countries, languages, numbers, and pluralization. Section 3 are verbs, conjugations, the present tense, regular verbs and verb patterns, irregular verbs, reflexive verbs, enclitics, and question words. Section 4, time. So we have modal verbs, days of the week, months, ordinal numbers, adverbs, weather, conjunctions, telling the time, means of transport. And keep in mind, these are just different lesson titles, but there are so many exercises for each of these lessons, right? So first you watch the lesson, or every lesson has a pre-recorded video that you can watch several times or as many times you want. There's also a PDF that comes with the lesson, with all the text from the video, from the lesson. And then there are many exercises for each one of these lessons, right? This is a huge course. So section 5 is locative. nouns, adjectives in singular, nouns and adjectives in plural, sound changes, prepositions, places in the city. Those are the lessons from section 5. Section 6 is vocabulary. So fruit, colors, house and furniture, vegetables, food and drinks, animals, family members, possessive adjectives, jobs, clothes. After all the lessons that we have in the first 6 sections, 51 lessons, and so many exercises, tests, and quizzes, we have section 7. Section 7 is only a review. It's a massive review of reading, writing, listening, and speaking, or basically answering your questions. All in all, this online self-study course will definitely get you on the right track. It will get you somewhere probably in A2 level of Serbian or something. You know that's not really a thing in Serbian, but it will teach you a lot of things, all the things that you actually need to start speaking or to start building on your Serbian seriously, to give you all the information that you need so you can speak, you can understand others, so speaking, listening, and all the vocabulary you need for the beginning. I mean, this is not only the beginning, but this is the proper way to start studying and to get to a certain level, to have all the information to get you there so you can continue on your Serbian path. I hope you like it. There are dozens and dozens of hours of work. If you decide to do this, you have to be prepared because it's very time consuming. It takes a lot of time. It's a very serious course. You'll need a notebook. You will have to write things, listen to the videos multiple times, and do many exercises if you want to succeed. So I wish you good luck and see you soon. Ciao.